Hello, this is my Mustang 1969, April 2017. It should have been finished by this time. Well, it actually is, but working on, you always works on some part of the car, and that it tends to take more time than expected. Well, as I said, this is Eastern time in Sweden. It looked like this. I was about to take out my car this time of year, but I don't think it will happen. So instead I show you what I've done so far. This year I put in a Tremec TKO 600. Not much to show besides the stick. It was a very good fit. Interior wise I haven't done anything. It's mostly stock with minor modification like the steering wheel and well, not much else actually. The center console is of course not stock. We can check out if we can see anything below. Not much to see, but here's the TKO. A very good fit. I bought it from Silver Sport in the United States. Actually, almost no cutting was needed. But a very good fit. I need to shorten the prop shaft, of course. It's not much big a deal. Here's the engine bay. 351 Windsor. Quite modified. Not so much on the outside. I want to keep it not stock, but not overdo it. It has Edelbrock heads and intake, RPM intake, Phytec fuel injection. You can barely see it. The Phytec was a great success. The engine performed much better and actually like an everyday car. You can drive it whenever you like, without thinking of. Here you can see the hydraulic clutch conversion. This is the reservoir. Actually, I don't think you can see it, but it's. No, never mind. It has a hydraulic clutch for the TKO transmission. Otherwise, stock servo unit. Here's the fuel injection pump. I decided to go with Phytec's unit, fuel commander. It works great, but it you need to have a mechanical fan. Otherwise, the engine bay will be too hot, and this canister will take a lot of heat, and I didn't feel okay with that. That's it. I can try and see if it will fire up. I have actually not driven it yet, so you can hear how easy it is to start. I'm still doing work here. Here's the Phytec display. I haven't decided where I want to mount it, but let's see if it. Yeah, it starts. Good. Let's see if the engine starts. Now I have to remember to have the neutral in. It doesn't hesitate at all. Immediately start up. said, Fitech is great. Engine doesn't hesitate at all. This was the first time in maybe 6 months, so yeah. As you see, header bandage starting to burn off. So that's a good brakes is stock, basically. Just bent the disc with the cutted gas slots. Actually, my steering column is my steering is from a Saab 1997 93. So I built it myself. Works great. Much better than stock unit. But today you can buy everything. I built this 10 years ago. Then you couldn't find that much. Well, you could find rack and pinions, but they were very expensive. Still are, but there are wider, much more to choose from today. Well, that's it so far. I hope the snow goes away so I can take this for a ride. Bye.